This is the Z sound. Keep watching to find out how it's pronounced in British English. Hi everybody and welcome back to Lean English. I'm Ed and I'm here to help you achieve your pronunciation goals. Before we start, remember to like this video if you find it useful and subscribe for more British English pronunciation lessons in the future. Now let's look at the Z sound in a bit more detail. Do you remember the S sound that we looked at a couple of weeks ago? The Z sound is produced in a similar way. So first produce the S sound. Now do it again, but this time use your voice instead. Z, Z. Well done, you just produced the Z sound. This sound is produced by restricting the flow of air between the tip or blade of the tongue and the alveolar ridge, and using your voice so that it produces friction. This gives the sound its technical name, the voiced alveolar fricative. Obviously, in real conversation, we don't produce the S sound first, but you can use this trick to find the correct mouth position. So try and remember the mouth position and produce the sound again. Z, Z. Now, look at these words. Can you identify the Z sound? Listen and see if you can hear it. Result, massive, zone, basic, exam, jazz, dessert, text. The Z sound is usually spelled with the letters S and Z and occasionally X. But remember that these letters may produce other sounds in other words. The Z sound may be confused with the V sound in minimal pairs, such as close, clothe, bathe, bathe, closing, clothing, breeze, breathe, soothe, soothe. Luckily, these sounds don't share many common minimal pairs, but you should remember to restrict the air between your tongue and alveolar ridge when you produce the Z sound, to avoid confusing it with the V sound. Now, let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. Please pause the music. The zebra lives in the zoo. The result is exactly 0. The citizens chose a new president. The executive refused the proposal. Several words that contain the Z sound are heteronyms of words that contain the S sound. For example, abuse, abuse, close, close, excuse, excuse, house, house, use, use. These pairs of words have the same spelling, but the pronunciation and the meaning are different. However, they're unlikely to cause confusion if you mispronounce them. Well, that's the end of the lesson, but can you use the Z sound in a sentence? Leave me some examples in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.